Hello everyone. Have you been experiencing audio problems on your Sony TV with Google TV? Worry not. In this guide, we're going to show you how to reset the sound settings and fix issues on Sony TV, Google TV, so you can get your audio back on track and enjoy your favorite shows and movies with perfect sound quality. Steps to reset sound settings and fix audio issues. Step 1. Access the settings menu. To begin, grab your Sony TV remote and press the home button to navigate to the home screen. From there, look for the settings icon, which typically resembles a gear. Click on it to enter the settings menu. This is where we'll perform the necessary adjustments to improve your TV's sound quality. Step 2. Reset the sound settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select Display and Sound. This section contains all audio-related options. Within this menu, find and select Sound. Here you should see an option labeled Reset or Reset Sound Settings. Select this option to restore the sound settings to their default factory levels. This action often resolves minor issues caused by accidental changes or software glitches. Step 3. Check audio output settings. After resetting the sound settings, double-check your audio output settings. While still in the sound menu, locate the audio output option. Make sure the output is set to the correct device. If you're using external speakers or a soundbar, ensure that the appropriate option, that is HDMI ARC or audio system, is selected. This ensures that your TV is directing sound to the correct output device, enhancing your audio experience further. Step 4. Update the TV software. Software inconsistencies can also cause sound issues. To avoid this, make sure your TV is running the latest version of its operating system. Return to the main settings menu and select device preferences. From there, choose About and then System Update to check for available updates. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your TV's software up to date can resolve compatibility issues and improve overall performance. Step 5. Reboot your Sony TV. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix persistent problems. Turn off your TV completely, disconnect it from the power source, and wait for about 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power and turn your TV back on. This process can help clear temporary glitches affecting audio functionalities. Step 6. Contact Sony support. If you've tried all the above steps and you are still experiencing sound issues, it might be time to contact Sony customer support. They can assist with hardware diagnostics and offer advanced troubleshooting tips specific to your model. Have your TV model and software version details ready for a more efficient support experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to reset the sound settings and fix issues on your Sony TV, Google TV. Whether it's a minor adjustment or a full factory reset, these solutions should help you enjoy crystal clear audio from your television once more. Remember to always prioritize keeping your system updated and reaching out for professional help when necessary. Enjoy your favorite programs with the best sound experience possible.